on, guys? It is your boy. What's your first go to now? Back it again with another bang off a vlog, man. It's bangers after bangers after bangers. So today, guys, it's a Mazda. With the team, we just took this beautiful trade. Right here, I did send them before we executed the trade. Here's it. This is KJPY, and the team executed the trade, and we've been killing it, man. We've been killing it. There's a lot that has been happening. We also, Nelson here took a beautiful sell on USD yesterday, and everything is looking good. So right now, guys, what I want us to do, I want to show you the trade taken live and see how it is going right now. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. So basically, as you can see right here, here is the trade, right? Here's the beautiful trade executed. Moving nicely into blues, and yeah, man, we're just gonna keep on holding this, and yeah, the team was updated and everything is good. And then for activities of today, yeah, man, just peep the drip. So this is the drip of today, man. Nice ice, and then we have this, and then we have this. You know, man, you know the vibes. The boys looking fly, the drippiest trader in the country. You know what I'm saying? The drippiest one. There's no any other one. And then I'm also going to fix my hair because it's not doing well, and I'll have some lights here, but then it's gonna be a wonderful day. So let me take you through. Guys, so right now we're outside Albany Capital City. We just finished some of the errands of today, so right now I have to check some food. Yes, sir. Right, guys, it's that time of the video, man, where I just show you the analysis, the trades, and the gems, right? For the lawyer ones, for the ones who want to upgrade their trading, you know what I'm saying? For the ones that want to make it big. So yeah, now it's time for the great market breakdown, you know what I'm saying? So guys, I took 3 trades last week. I took 1 loss and then I took 2 winning trades. So yeah, it's basically these 3 currency pairs that we have right there. So I'm just going to be breaking down everything for you guys. And yeah, so before we begin, we know, guys, we start from our daily highs and the daily lows to identify our daily range and to see where the market is actually directed, right? So identify those 2 areas and then I zoom in to check what is actually happening there, you know what I'm saying? So here we have a very beautiful daily pullback, right? The market pullback there, and then this would be my very important area of interest, right? So basically this is just a simple double top, right? But then yeah, man, the market did that. We have our clear daily range to the downside, right? And then the market came back to this inflation point on the daily, which was very good for us, right? And when I started this video, I did mention to you guys that okay, we're actually looking at this pair, so this analysis is going to be very fair because you saw that this trade was identified last week, right? So what happened here, right? Okay, I'm having a little bit of a problem with my rewind tool, so let me just do it like this, right? So basically, guys, we came back to our inflation point, isn't it, right? And then let me try to do this again. Guys, it doesn't want. I don't know what is happening with TradingView. We're just gonna work around it like this, right? So with this inflation points, you know, guys, we trade Falcon. What do we usually do? Wait for the push down, right? Because the push down is the one that actually gives us that okay, now price is ready to go down. It has already reacted on this inflation point. These highs were taken out. As you can see for yourself, the price did do the market psychology that I pretty much really like, and it went down, it went back up again to take out this high now, which is sort of like an M style formation. And I really like it when price action does that because it gives us more validation that we have more market manipulation happening multiple times, and then the market pushed to the downside, right? And then here we were at this low, right? So what happened on this trade? So this trade was a little bit tricky, and I know most of you all did take it, some of you all did, the trade did take you out, but then I'm gonna give you a lesson on the things to look out for, especially when you're taking such trades, you know what I'm saying? So guys, this was basically a simple 2-touch beginning, right? So initially the trade would have been taken like this on the 50% retrace, right? And then you have your stop loss right there, right? So it would be depending if where do you actually want to put your stop loss. Do you want to have it big, right, so that maybe when the price action comes up here it doesn't take it out, or you can keep it tight? It depends, right? It depends on your market experience and how you've learned the Falcon strategy, right? Maybe let's say you did take this trade, right? This trade did take you out, it is still fine, right? What we do, we actually look at the price action. How did this price action even take you out? It took us out like with weeks, you know what I'm saying? Took us out with some weeks, but that also indicates that the price action might have been manipulated as an entry. You could also take a re-entry in this scenario. And how would you take a re-entry? For me, I would have taken it here in the 4-hour because I have very beautiful 4-hour retrace. With me mastering the 4-hour strategy, I do have my entry criteria that I actually look for. If maybe let's say the 1 hour isn't giving me something that I really look for, and then I do take that 4-hour retrace and then I take the whole trade. But then in this case it was also different again because what did I do here? This pattern actually evolved, right? It evolved to a 1 2 3 touch, you know what I'm saying? So this pattern ended up being a 1 2 3 touch, right? Like that. And if you can go to the 15-minute time frame, you can clearly see beautiful you can clearly see the beautiful 2 touch right there, right? 1 2, and then the 3rd touch was there, right? And with that, the trade was taken like this now as a re-entry because for those who like were tight on the stops, my stops went that tight, so it only missed me by a pip, right? Missed me by a pip, but then I was still inside the trade. But then I also did re-enter again on my other accounts due to the fact that I saw that okay, this market has evolved into a 3-touch. The 2-touch has evolved into a 3-touch, right? So with that, you have to be flexible, guys. Every time when you are trading, you need to be flexible. You need to be able to evolve with the market, right? Because you can see the candles are consistently moving, so the structure is gonna change as well for the better. So here the structure did change for the better, you know what I'm saying? So did that, and then the market pushed to the downside, and I caught myself a beautiful 4% trade here. And the reason being, with this momentum, it was actually NFP. So with me, I didn't close this trade because I was like, it is what it is, man. I've entered. If NFP goes the other way around, it is what it is. If it goes to my direction, it is what it is as well. Because what I do, guys, I do not trade news or whatever. I trade the market structure, right? The market structure did give me a beautiful continuation pattern, which means that I'm looking for the market to go down regardless if there were news or no news. The news evident to the structures, man. This was a beautiful clear structure. There was no need for anyone to be closing the trade because of news, or even if you did, you would have maybe put in your break even right here, or maybe decrease your risk to 50% right here, just in case it goes to the opposite direction. So that is the type of risk mitigation that I actually apply when we are trading right here. When we are trading, we apply proper risk mitigation, right? With market experience, you will learn these things. But then I usually advise people that if they are still struggling, they want assistance and they like the way I trade and kill the markets, I do offer mentorship. The link is in the description of the video for international students who want to join us. But then if you're in South Africa, you just DM me on WhatsApp, man. We'll make the payments very easy, and then I'll take you through the whole process and everything, right? With that said, I also just want to show you guys with these things that these things actually do work. And this bro here, we took so many trades last week and everyone made a killing, right? So I want to show you something here. This guy DJ Pasta, the trade did take him out, right? But then he had to enter again. I had to enter that one twice. I got it though. You understand? Because he knows I've been teaching these people on how to re-enter the markets, you know, how to understand when the market is manipulating, how to even know if should I even re-enter, because in some cases you might want to re-enter, but now the structure is not proper, you know, and then you re-enter and then you get 2 losses in a row. But in this scenario, if you had the good market experience, you were able to come back to this position again, because here there were 3 re-entry types showing us that no, we can still take the position. Even if you had a smaller stop loss and it did take you out, you could still enter again. You know what I'm saying? You could still enter again and make profit from the trade, based on the proper market experience. So everyone did kill it, man. And we also killed this position. There's a lot, man, with these trades. I send these trades for these guys, and then we look at these positions and then we execute. I mean, we just follow the plan. Simple as that, man. Everyone is killing it here, man. You know, little by little. Some of them might be struggling here and there because they are new, and that's fine. You know what I'm saying? But then you are here to learn, right, the proper way that I trade. And this past few, like 1 month or few weeks, 2 months, we've been killing it, man. I've been killing Falcon every week. They are evidence. They can even tell you themselves in the comment section. They can tell you themselves that, nah, man, we've been killing it. We are not playing around, right? Because what I did, I chose, right, to trade the Falcon strategy the way I understand it, you know. Because with me, I was like, should I go back to like Falcon, maybe pay Mark? But it's like, okay, the common sense is Mark is very much expensive, you know, like truly speaking, man, very much expensive. And at the same time, I don't get the help that I want, you know. Even if I want to talk to a mentor, I have to pay that mentor. In me paying for the mentorship first, now I have to pay again inside of that expenses. I was like, okay, how long will I keep on paying these niggas? Your mentorship is very much expensive, man. It doesn't make sense. You know what I'm saying? You subscribe per month, it's very much expensive. I find myself like paying like 30k. I told you the first time when I got into Falcon, paid like 30k for the whole thing so that I can like do for the whole year, you know. So it's a bit expensive. So it's like, let me just try to struggle and understand Falcon the way I want to understand and the way I feel like it's easier for me to understand. And what is happening, man, I'm killing it. You know what I'm saying? I'm killing it, man. We've been having a lot of achievements, and in this video I'll show you one of my students also like upgraded their setup, showing that there is improvement with the way we trade, right? My mentorship, oh sorry guys, what was this guy saying? Okay, my mentorship is designed for everyone in Africa, the Europe, United States, to be able to afford it. And yeah, man, once off payment for 6 months and you come to kill it with us like this, come on, man. So let's come to this trade right now. So I'm gonna start afresh analyzing this one. So this is NZDCHF. So NZDCHF was looking like this, right? We took out this value area and the market started to push to the downside, and we have a beautiful continuation down there, right? So with this continuation, this was actually a 4-hour structure, right? So it's a position that I entered in the 4-hour, right? So this was a beautiful 1 2 3 touch like that, had equal spacing even at the middle section. Everything about this trade was pretty much amazing, guys. I just don't want to lie to you. This position was beautiful, right? Everything that we actually want when you're trading Falcon was available. And then with the entry, what I did, I entered 50% of this kind of stage just to get myself a nicer risk to reward, right? My stops were pretty much above there, right? And then I'm looking to take out this highs down there, you know what I'm saying, this lows, sorry. So I'm looking for a 1:3 at the bottom, and we're already running into beautiful profits, you know what I'm saying. The position is still live, you know, so everything is looking good. It has been pretty much slow though to move into our direction, but yeah, that is what we get for trading the 4-hour. The 4-hour sometimes is going to be slow, and it comes with the candlesticks, man. You see in the 4-hour time frame, one candlestick is 4 hours, so you can imagine if there's no momentum like that, it is what it is. But then the position is gradually going to our direction, which is good. So that was the second trade. And then the third trade that we took was Euro JPY. This one is the one that I lost, right? This one is the one that I lost, but we're gonna talk about it as well, right? So this one, okay, the market did take out daily highs, which is fine, and I was looking for the market to go down. And then I go to my 1-hour time frame and analyze my inflation points and see what's going on, you know what I'm saying. So here I was actually looking for this, right? I was actually trading those highs, you know what I'm saying. I was trading those highs, and I'm just looking to take the market to the downside, you know. And then with that I had a beautiful 2 touch right here, you know what I'm saying. So it's just repeatable positions, guys. Even if we lost, it's fine, we lost, but we did follow our plan. So the position was executed there, and then that was just a simple clean loss, man. Simple clean loss, and we moved on to the other trades. But then with this loss, it is fine because I also killed it here on KJPY, so I made like 4%. So it's basically net 3% plus this position that is currently running, which is like now 4% profit in 1 week. So it's like, yeah. But another thing, guys, I'm risking 2%, right, of my profit account. So it's like I'm not like making 4%. If it's like I made 4% last week, it's basically like 8% for that particular week, which is still good and profitable, you know what I'm saying. And what I like, again, I share these positions with the team, you know. I help the team, every position is taken, everyone knows, we know what you're doing, we help each other. Even if you're analyzing wrong, we're gonna help you to analyze correctly. And I almost forgot, I also took a beautiful GBP USD position for a 4%, and it was very much nice. So basically made 16% last week, and you know, like, it is what it is. There's the position. We talked about this position even before it playing out, you know what I'm saying, guys. Even before that, it's there. So you have time to prepare for yourselves, guys, and take these positions. So imagine, guys, in 1 week 16%, and last week I was making like 28%. I'm not sure how much I made, but then you can see, and it's repeatable positions. It's not like we're gonna say yeah, we took a trade and then yeah, that's it. There's reasoning behind, you understand? Because as you can see, when you're trading Falcon, you understand this is a 1 2 3 touch, and then I went to the 5 minutes, I executed this, and then
we killed it, man. And then he was killed, you see, 5 minutes, yeah. But then if he's still having problems, the mentorship is there. People, don't be scared. You've been trying for the past 5 years, but still there's no progress. But then you can see for yourselves, guys, with proof. People are here. We're already 19. These people are not here because they're stupid. Yeah, but they've seen and they know and they understand that, yeah, this works. Because if this didn't work, people weren't gonna be getting in. But then there is value, even if someone is getting value little by little, at least you are getting somewhere closer to your goal. You understand? You're not stagnated. You're waiting, there's nothing. Even if here you lose, I sit down with you, man. We talk about your losses and see how we're gonna fix that. You understand? It's not going to be a thing that we're going to be successful now, like, but as long as you are pushing, man, being consistent, there is no way, dog. There is no way, right? There is no way, because the knowledge I'll be sharing here, guys, it's immaculate, right? Because with me, remember, I started trading Falcon 2020, so it's like I have like almost close to like 5 years experience, trading one strategy. There is no way we cannot kill it, guys. There is no way. We're gonna destroy it, boy. We're gonna destroy it. Right. And here I was just telling the guys that I'm so much impressed with myself. Like, it's too much at this point. I've never thought I'd kill Falcon like this, and I'm never changing it. You know what I'm saying? Because bruh, like, come on, dog. I've made up for all of the months that we've been maybe having ups and downs in one single week, and we've been killing it for the past 2 months. Come on, dog. Come on. Q3 has been a massacre, guys. Q3 is being sorted out. Q3, we're recovering every loss we've ever had this year. You understand? With the way we're killing it, guys. Come on, man. Come on. We've recovered everything. We have everything for the past. If we were losing in January, February, March, April, May, June, but for the last 2 months, we've recovered for all of those months with the way the market is moving so nicely, with the way we trade. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, trading with a peace of mind. We are trading with a peace of mind, understanding that our strategy works and how to apply it properly. You know what I'm saying? Guys, I'm telling you, guys. I'm telling you, soon, guys, you'll be seeing in the channel the boy will be buying his first car. You know what I'm saying? Because why not, dog? Why not? It's working, dog. It's working. You know what I'm saying? Guys. Guys. It is what it is. Shout out to Falcon, man, and shout out to our efforts that we've been pushing so hard, and the market is now paying us for our hard work. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, if you're looking to change your trading game, elevate your life, man, do the right thing to yourself, man. Don't sit there, because another thing, as I'm busy killing it and being the most, I'm growing as well as a creator and as a mentor. You know what I'm saying? So things will become very expensive, right? Because it works anyways. You know what I'm saying? You cannot just get anything that works out there just now, man. There has to be sacrifices made. I'm reached where I am today because of my sacrifices that I've made. I've started the channel in front of you guys. You've been seeing me. I was selling sneakers. I've been selling clothes, and Forex started working for me. I left everything. I don't sell any clothes. I just focus on Forex trading right now to show that this thing works. I moved out from my mom's house last year, and before even the year ends this year, I've bought everything, man. Bought furniture, everything, man. Bought things, guys, in a space of like less than even a year of me moving out of the crib, because I even moved out on my mom's house. I didn't even know if I'll make it or not, but I trusted the process, because I see there's a little bit of light, let me just risk it all. You know what I'm saying? I didn't have any plan, but look at me now, dog. This works, bro. This works. Don't be a spectator, dog. Engage, my guy. You will see. We're not playing around. We're not fooling anyone here. This game is for real. It's for real. I've been growing this channel since 0 subscribers, and we're now at 7,000 subscribers, guys. You know, you guys are subscribing because you guys know we're not playing around. You know what I'm saying? We're not playing around. We are real. You know what I'm saying? Everything I teach here on YouTube, it's valuable information. If people have been DMing me appreciating the work that I put out on here on the free YouTube, you know, people are appreciating that, and I appreciate you guys as well. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy that people are appreciating the analysis I give out, because this is real information that is gonna change your life anyways. You know, it's you if you take it seriously or not, or just leave it like that. It is what it is. It's up to you. It's not my problem. It's yours, you know. But people are capitalizing even from the free information. You know what I'm saying? If the free information is changing your life a little bit, how much more in the mentorship? You're going to be a goat, dog. Forex trading will change your life, I'm telling you. Just find the right circle for you, man. Like-minded people, and push with those people. You know what I'm saying? Be loyal to each other, guys, and just forget about the noise. Forget about the noise, man. People will always talk. You know what I'm saying? People will always say what they want to say. You know, people will always judge us, you know, as creators. You know what I'm saying? Others might say, was scam, what, it's fine. Me, as I see those conversations, I don't even care about them anymore. You know what I'm saying? I don't care. Even if I'd find myself in a Forex exposed channel, I don't care, dog, you know. But then I haven't found myself there, because I'm pretty much legit, man. Everyone who comes for my services, they get what they entered for, you know. But then I want to be real with you guys. It is going to take some time, but you actually, at the end, you will make it out. You know what I'm saying? There is reality in Forex trading, and I'm one of those mentors, guys, that I'm going to be for real with you guys. I know how to trade, dog. You know, I'm not here out playing around. I do not have the capital like to flex, like let's say I'm just showing a lifestyle. The money I have, I took it from the market, bro. Most of it, guys, come on. You know what I'm saying? You've been buying furniture, we've been buying TVs, buying gaming PCs, dog, buying everything for the house. Where do you think that money comes from? You know what I'm saying? We're buying recording equipment. Right now, I also have someone who is shooting my videos for me. You know what I'm saying? Following me around. You know, where do you think that cash? That is the Forex market, dog. We can have money coming from other streams, you know what I'm saying? But then most money is gonna be taken from here. And these people, they know, dog. They will tell you. They know, guys. We've been killing it. I don't know. I can scroll on this Discord, man. Yeah, scroll until I'm tired. You will see, man. We are working here. A lot of trades we are taking. Every week we're taking a winning trade. Not saying that we have to win always, but then if we win, dog. It is what it is. Yeah, a losing streak will come. We don't know when, but now we're capitalizing, and we have to get out the most out of the market. You know what I'm saying? And I don't wanna lie, Falcon has been the best, has been in the best streak this past months. They're one of the best ever this year. You know, all of these trades, guys, we were winning. We're killing them. We're just winning. You see, USD killing it, guys, killing it, Falcon way. You know. And Falcon is one of the best strategies you can use to pass a pro firm challenge. I don't want to lie to you. All of the strategies I've been seeing, they're so much messed up, bro. Especially when it comes to prop firms, because that is where your market experience has to be tested. If you know what you are doing, you have to see at the prop firm that can you even pass a prop firm and get a payout. You know what I'm saying? If you can do that, your strategy maybe works. But if you're not consistent, you are failing your pro firms. Nah, man, there's still a little bit of intervention needed there. We need to intervene. Guys. We need to intervene. You know, you need help. You know what I'm saying? This thing works, and if it's not working, change something, dog. Don't stay there to your hands and stay on hope. At least stay on something that you see that it's working for people you see, dog, and not people that are scams. Like they're always lying and sharing their lifestyle and renting cars. Not those people, dog. You will not learn anything from those people. You know what I'm saying? Those people that be busy doing shady things you are not understanding. You know, they've billions of cars. You don't know how, and when you watch their analysis on YouTube, we're like, yo, dog, what is this guy actually doing? You know, because I actually do watch this guys myself, and then I sit to myself and like, bro, is this the way you really trade, dog? Like, these are South African Forex influencers, you know, from South Africa, and also the other ones from the States. There are so many guys. Me, I look, because like analyzing is not very difficult, you know. You see, me, I know, even if you're doing your own strategy, there has to be substance. You have to have a bias in what you're doing, a daily bias, things, dog, substance, information, dog. Give us something. Yo, talk about risk mitigation, dog. Talk about experience, you know. Tell us the market is breaking highs, the market is pushing down, we're having a continuation because of this and that. Why are we taking this trade? The momentum has kicked in. Substance, dog. Give us something, dog. Don't just come here and draw lines, dog. Give us something, my guy, so we see that you know what you're doing. Don't come and lie. Yo, anyways, guys, the video has been amazing, fam. Subscribe. See you in my next video. Yes, sir.